Na-stress na ni Mr. Which one pala?
Which one? Not who.
Which one?
Which one?
Yeah.
There's no name on it.
Oh.
Which wife is it?
Why? How many wives do you have? Tita Grandma, yeah.
Hi, Tita Grandma.
Welcome back to our channel.
Today is Father's Day.
Today is Father's Day. Say hi. I'll say Happy Father's Day to all the daddy out there.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy out there.
We're gonna take that off as well. Oh yeah, take it off. It's a bit
I
hot in
want
there, no?
bubblegum. I never had bubblegum for my life.
No, because it's not good for kids.
You know, Prince Carl, he has when he was sick, he had bubblegum. Like
No.
Huh?
No.
He had bubblegum.
No.
No. He did.
That is here. You got more banana?
Well, I don't know what you got there.
Oh, banana.
I got
I took one, and you took one, and Elisa took mine, and
I got
banana.
free banana already.
I want banana number 2.
You have banana? Yeah, it's in the bag, the banana.
where is it?
It's in the bag.
I'll give it to him, man.
Busy, busy. There's so many shops closed. Hirap paghanap ng parking mga kakasika kay sobrang busy. Buti na lang may umalis kaya magpa-parking kami dito. Ita-drop lang sana kami ni Mr. So may nag-parking dito kanina. So tinanong ko kung alis pa sila. Sabi niya yes daw. Ka-timing kami. Yeah, you have to pay. Yeah, yeah. Wait.
Check out, what's that number?
Nagantay lang kami sa mga kachika kasi tumatawag siya doon sa pagbayad ba ng parking charge mga kachika. Wala kasi kaming coin. Pwede naman gamit ng coin. So mayroon akong coin, 1 pound lang. You're tired now. Maybe much better do you go that way there. Punta tayo ng toilet mga kachika. Iniwan ko lang muna sila doon kasi magto-toilet ako. Ladies, 30p yung mga kachika yung
Please pass your credit card. Please wait for confirmation. Thank you.
card lang din. Di pa ako balik na mga kachika, mag-video lang naman tayo dito banda. Ali, punta din yung mga bata sa beach. May dala naman akong bihisan nila mga kachika kung mabasa sila eh. Kasi yun din talaga yung plano namin.
Harvest is not something different.
Yeah, it's what do you call it? Coaster Lounge.
Oh.
nilalamig ako mga kachika kasi sila nag-i-enjoy. Goodness. Ay! Pero pagtinggan yung hangin, baho yung hangin yung ano ng dagat.
Snow, isn't it?
From the restaurant. Ice cream.
Penny.
I want it. Do want it, but I don't want it. Oh yeah, unicorn.
Two unicorns. That's good.
Ice cream lang naman sila mga kachika. Sit down there.
The machine. Oh, your mom's only got one, okay? We need to share the coin. Well, give the coin, please.
Na-stress na si Mr. Look at me. Pauwi na kami mga kachika. Si Alisa nag-aburido kay gusto pa talaga niya na bumalik kami doon sa may pier nga. Sabi ko, ang layo-layo na naman ng lalakarin natin and it's already...
Hold on up here anyway.
Yeah, sa pier din sobrang lakas ng hangin kaya hindi kami nagtagal doon. Kaya nasa taas kami. May tuktok ako sa may... Sa lakas ng hangin. Kaya ayun, nag-ano kami. Sabi ko, uwi na lang tayo. 3:30 na din ng hapon. Maghahanda na din ng dinner kasi may pasok bukas si Alina. And you're gonna have bubble bath.
You're gonna need that.
Mainit din naman siya pero ang lakas ng hangin eh.
Beach now, it's gone.
Yeah, it's good now.
Beach is gone.
High tide now.
Yeah. The beach is gone.
I think I know I will. Oh, you relaxed there. You know that big tree there?
Oh yeah.
That one there, you went in there as well.
And we have snack.
What snacks do you have?
I didn't have a snack and Miss Taylor got apple for me. Today, I didn't think so. Hi. He falls over.
Gawa si Mr. ng Yorkshire pudding. 3 eggs. Then milk. Then plain flour. You know it. You know it's very good.
Slowly.
5:15 na pala ng hapon mga kachika. Kaya na pa man kami dumating ngayon na ako nag-apply kasi nagkape kami. Yeah, it's like pancakes.
Oh, that's it now. Can I
Snacks ba? Kaya mga gutom galing sa ano namin lakad. Alina pagod na.
Oh, you're supposed to be looking what you're doing, not looking around you. Come on.
You don't want a mix? No.
I think you put the wrong flour in. This is self-raising. I said plain flour.
Plain flour, yeah.
Are you sure it's bubbling?
Yeah.
No, I do it.
You do it? Alina, nandoon pa. Sabihin kasi nag-ano ako dito ano ako, vacuum ako ng floor mga kachika ba? Okay? Like that. And you want me to do it?
I do it. I do it.
Mm.
I do it.
I'm not done yet. Come here na. I'll do it quickly. Yeah, Daddy's there. See? See him? Kasi kailangan na naman yung putulan yung mga damo ba. Ang bilis humaba. Get off there sa place. You're not going to climb up there. I-check natin to. Ayan na pala. Uy, masyadong mausok. Yorkshire pudding. Tapos yung potato. Ayan, di pa ready. Dito naman sa baba yung Yorkshire pudding. Di pa din ready din. Sa likod yung yung Belgian chicken. Yeah, I'm here. Sabi niya, are you watching daw? Kasi sinabi niya yun sa akin na watch out daw. Bantayan mo yung mga nakalagay sa oven na niluluto ba? Kalimutan ko. Baka mamaya kakain yung mga bata, wala pa ilang rice. Maglagay din ako ng hugasan namin dito dito. Alina, okay lang yun doon. Kaunti lang naman yun din yung tubig doon mga kachika. At Father's Day nga today mga kachika. So, dito lang kami. Wala talaga kaming ganap pa. So, gusto nga sana ng mga bata nakakain daw kami sa labas. Kahapon si Alina nagplano-plano na ganito daw yung kagabi pala na ganito daw yung gagawin natin bukas kasi Father's Day. Alam niyo yun, nakikita niya sa ibang mga napapanood niya pa na punta mag-dinner out or kakain sa labas. Yun talaga yung in-expect ng bata. Tapos, lang din ako ayun nga, hindi lang muna kami naggawa-gawa ng mga ganun-ganun ngayon. Kasi nga, yun lang, nilabas lang namin yung mga bata. Ng ice cream. Pero binilhan, may gift naman kami kay Mr. Yung may binigay ako sa kanya na gift. Yung maliit lang naman na bagay. Tapos na meron kaming cards. Yun yung, at least meron ba something ba na sa Father's Day. Kasi nga, sa ngayon, medyo pa kami mga kachika. Sobrang pa kami tight pagdating sa pera dahil nga lalo na wala pa akong trabaho, mag-i-start ulit ako sa trabaho ko. Tapos yun nga sa ngayong darating na Thursday yung bayaran namin sa visa ko. So kailangan namin ng pera. So imbes na kami kakain kami sa labas or what. So yun lang muna ngayon. Bawi na lang ulit kami next time sa mga iba-ibang kakain na lang kami kasi nga sa ngayon hindi naman ibig sabihin na wala kaming pera pa pero meron kaming parang paglaanan talaga ba sa pera gaya ng aking visa na babayaran ko ganun babayaran namin sa Thursday na so diba sabi ko sa inyo na malaki yung babayaran namin na ganito lang yung celebration namin ng Father's Day pero mas maganda din sana na parang extra special ba kahit naman parang naman na iba din kaso nga kay meron kaming saka wala akong trabaho, di ba? Meron kaming din yung babayaran nga. Kaya yun lang muna yung unahin namin. I'm here in the kitchen. Look at that. Thank you. Where you get this?
In the garden. In the front yard.
Oh, thank you very much. Give me a kiss.
Because I love you.
Huh?
Because I love you.
Because you love me?
Yeah.
I love you very much too. You and Alisa.
How about Daddy?
Daddy as well, very much. Because Daddy is Father's Day. Ganyan pala yung ito mga kachika. Gusto kasi ni Mr. na ganyan. Crunchy talaga siya. Pero yung iba nasunog. Ganun po yung iba nasunog man. Ganyan. Siya lang naman kakain yan. Tapos ito na pala yung chicken. I-check ko lang kung luto na siya. Kasi 6:35 po din ng gabi. Pero nandun pa yung Yorkshire pudding. Malalaman mo pag na siya kasi wala na siyang dugo pa. Okay na pala. Luto na pala. Madali lang naman to. Pero inabot din siya ng 1 kalahati pagluluto nito. Kahit maliit lang. Laki ng Yorkshire pudding.
Put a lot of rice on there.
It's not a lot of rice.
Well, make sure they eat the chicken then. I want to eat just rice.
It's a bubble bath, like
What bubble bath?
that one, chicken.
Do you want me to cut the Yorkshire pudding in pieces? Yeah.
Yeah, like a bubble bath. That would look like a bubble, like that. Like a bath.
No, it's good like this, Daddy. It's
What?
good like that. They just,
Could break it. Alright. Nice gravy, that, Mama.
Okay.
You're getting good, aren't you? Wow. Hey?
Yeah.
Gravy.
Use the beef and pork or just pork?
The one you get from there.
There's two. There's a beef one and a pork one.
That's more. It's good.
Huh? Good system, huh?
Nag-ano pa siya mga kachika, nagsugba pa ng ano ng talong. Sabi ko nagugutom na ako, sabi niya kumain ka ha. Sabi ko antayin kita. Ano lang naman sa kanya. Tapos ako yun na yun din yung kakainin ko yung chicken.
Oh,
Oh my goodness. Saka rice.
Oh, it's already open this.
Yeah, because you told that you're gonna cook it.
Oh. Leave this bit for you.
Focus to dinner.
Are you statue?
Eat your meat. Mine rice.
Meat.
Look at that.
Oh,
There. Is it itchy?
yeah.
It's smart.
Is it?
Oh,
Who did that then?
I don't know. Ano daw yung card nga na binigay ko sa kanya, walang pangalan ko. Sabi niya, whose wife daw? Sabi ko, why? Ilan ba yung wife mo? Kasi daw walang pangalan. Nakalimutan ko pala ilagay yung pangalan ko doon sa
Which
card.
one?
Which one?
He said,
Ah, which one pala?
Which one? Not who.
Which one?
Which one? Which
Yeah.
wife? There's no name on it. Which
Oh.
wife is it?
Why? How many wives do you have?
Oh. How many fingers you got in your hands?
My goodness. It's a lot.
Huh?
It's a lot.
Is that the last of it then?
Cheers. Happy Father's Day.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Office.
Very good.